market, and we're in Dubai, baby. And in this video, I'll take you to my favorite fun malls for kids in Dubai. Here's my top 5. Parents, you don't want your kids to be bored, right? I'll show you where you can find dinosaur bones, do a mermaid makeover, get local souvenirs. There are just so many malls in Dubai. These are my favorite malls. I'll tell you why I like each one. Come explore with me. Let's go! This is Dubai Festival Mall. Behind me is the mall. I like this mall because every night they have a laser light show. And I really enjoyed this show at Dubai Festival City. It's a night show with water. I'll show you more sights later. See you! When you are driving around town, see if you can spot the tallest building in the world. Look at it dazzling and shimmering in the sun. Next stop, the biggest mall in the world, Dubai Mall. Let's check it out. If you want to go to do some ice skating, Dubai Ice Rink is in this mall. We saw an ice hockey match in play. Take a walk with me and we'll explore the mall. But first, I'll show you something amazing. Come along now. Building in the whole wide world. It's called the Burj Khalifa. Don't you think it's amazing? I can't stop looking at it. It's so sparkly. Let me take you for a walk. Come follow me. Let's explore the outside of this mall. It is so beautiful. It's like we're in the desert, Mom. It's scorching hot out here. Remember to hydrate. Let's cross this bridge to see what's on the other side. Oh yeah, there are many spots to take photographs, just like I'm doing here. Walk further and see this. It's like a dam that is bursting. This is Souk al-Bahar. Time out market is here. There are so many restaurants, all highly rated. So many choices. Follow me to this glorious spot to take pictures. It was really picturesque. And behind me is a big and fat horse. I'm kidding. The tallest building in the world, about 160 stories high. That's a lot of stories. Let's head back to Dubai Mall now. Ah, I'm so hot. I need the aircon here. There's so many places to eat, from fast food to fine dining. This is a shop for cool school bags and stationery. The Dubai Aquarium An underwater zoo is here too, and this is a gift shop. This is the spotted moray eel, and here's another one coming to kiss it. I would love to marry you. Check all those sharks swimming around. I wonder if they're hungry. Please don't eat us. Have you ever wanted a mermaid makeover? This is the place. Mermaids of Arabia. And you'll even get to see a real live mermaid. Or rather, a human dressed as one. The entrance is right next to the aquarium. Alright, let's move on to the next stop. Camels? Oh, this will make a great spot for pictures. What? Do you see what I see? A dinosaur. I mean, the bones of the dinosaur. Isn't this cool? Let's take a closer look. Oh, wow. I'm just standing here and... Oh. What? The head is so small. Do you know what dinosaur this is? Can you guess? What dinosaur do you think this is? A Dudosaurus, B, a Cuckoosaurus, C, a Diplodocus, D, Plesiosaurus. If you said C, then you're right. It is a Diplodocus. Look, the Burj Khalifa made out of Lego blocks. Okay, on to the next stop. Now we're going to go to another part of town. Next shopping destination. With great architecture. It's not really a mall, but it has really a lot of shops housed inside. And hey, it's me again. And today we are at Souk, Madinat, Jumeirah. Here you can get lots of souvenirs. I got a camel. And this is Souk, Madinat, Jumeirah. The best place for you to get local souvenirs. Look at all these souvenirs and trinkets. I was hunting high and low for a camel souvenir. Do you think these camel bags are cute? So colorful. Let's see what's outside. Whew, it's hot. Remember to wear your shades and drink lots of water. This place is so beautiful. Check out the architecture. You can take some nice pictures with Burj Al Arab in the background. There are some good spots for you to take some nice pictures. Take a walk around. It's really colorful. I am burning.
I am burning too.
It's way too hot outside. Let's go indoors to get cool. And there is no better way to cool off and recharge with some ice cream. And I chose the unicorn flavor, of course. Back to complete my camel mission hunt. Guess what I got here? A camel souvenir that says Dubai. And there's something really cool that we can do to it. Dubai or not Dubai? Bye! See you at the next stop. Remember to check out cool landmarks. And on to the next stop. Hey, I'm Super Curious Kid, and today we're at the Mall of Emirates. Pop. Oh, it looks like there are even bridges for people to cross, but then you'll be sliding all the way down to here. That's funny, right? I really have fun here and look at shops. Here's mostly shop, 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 shop till you pop. There are stores of every kind. Underwear, stationery, even bath bombs. Anything you can think of. So I'll say, if you only have time for one mall, your best choice would be Dubai Mall. Because it has everything under a roof. Don't forget to catch the daily evening water show at Dubai Mall. I promise you won't be disappointed. It can get very crowded, but if you want to take some cool pictures, learn how to crop with your camera. If you like watching my channel, please like and subscribe. Always stay super curious. Check out on my other videos.